Hi everyone, so today in this tutorial we are going to touch that second general form of the circle equation, which is x square plus y square plus 2gx 2fy plus c. Okay, earlier we have discussed about this equation, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, and actually this is derived from here. Okay, and I have made a separate video for that one, and you can go in my playlist and you can watch it. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to use center and radius and to form this type of equation. Okay, here your circle will be like this, and this is your radius, and your center is h comma k for this type of equation. Okay, for this type of equation there is a slight difference. Okay, if this is your circle, here the center is minus g comma minus f. You have to remember it is minus g comma minus f, and the radius r is given as g square plus f square minus c. Okay, so the second one is derived from the first one, but you have to remember that in the second form of the general equation your center is minus g comma minus f, and r is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Here it was very easy, your center was h comma k. So let's do work on this form of circle equation, and we are going to use center and the radius to form that type of equation. Suppose your center is 1 comma 2 and the radius is given, which is 3, and we have to form the general equation of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is what center is minus g comma minus f. Comparing these two, you will get minus g is equal to 1, so g is equal to minus 1, and minus f is equal to 2, so f is equal to minus 2. Okay, now we have to find c. So what is the r? R is under root g square plus f square minus c. Okay, so I will square both sides, so I will get r square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Put the value of r. If you put the value of r, your r is 3, so it will be 9. Okay, your g is minus 1, so minus 1 whole square is 1, plus your f is minus 2, so minus 2 whole square is 4 minus c. Okay, so if you solve this one, you'll get minus c is equal to 5. Sorry, minus c is equal to 9 minus 5, so c is equal to minus 4. Okay, so now we can write the equation of the circle. So your final equation is x square plus y square plus 2, your g is minus 1, x plus 2, your f is minus 2, y minus 4 equal to 0. If you try to evaluate this, you will get x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. This is your final answer. This is the equation of the circle, general equation of circle of the different second form. Okay, so if the center is given and the radius is given, you have to evaluate minus g and minus f, and from that you'll get g equal g and f, and you can use the r square is equal to g square plus f square minus c, and you can evaluate c and put in the equation. You will get the general equation of a circle in the second form. Okay, so now we are going to do one more question based on this type of problem. Okay, so let's take center is 0 comma minus 3, and your radius is given, and that is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, So this is what minus g comma minus f, because we are trying to compare with the second form of the equation. So your minus g is equal to 0 and minus f is equal to minus 3. If you solve here, you'll get g is equal to 0, and if you solve this one, if you get f is equal to 3. Now let's write for the radius. So r is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. If you square them both sides, you will get g square plus f square minus c. Now put the values of r, g and f. You will get r 2 root 2 whole square is equal to 0 square plus 3 square minus c. If you solve this one, you will get 4 times 2. This is will become 8, and this will become 9 minus c. Okay, bring c this side and bring 8 this side. You will get c is equal to 9 minus 8 equal to 1. So I got c, I got g, and I got f. So I can write x square plus y square plus 2g, g is your 0, x plus 2 f, f is 3, y plus c plus 1 equal to 0. So try to evaluate this one. You will get x square plus y square plus 6y plus 1 equal to 0. And this is the second general form of the circle equation if the center is this and radius is 2 root 2. So hope you understand how to form the second general form of circle equation if center and radius is given. Now, if what will happen if equation of the circle is given and you have to find radius and center. Okay, so we'll touch some question based on that. Okay, so let's start with that. Let's suppose your equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y minus 11 equal to 0. Okay, and we know that this is second form of the circle equation. So I will write the general form for that: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And if you'll compare these two, what you'll get, 2g is equal to minus 6 using this. Okay, and from here you'll get 2f is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to minus 11. So if you solve this, here you will get g is equal to minus 3 and f is equal to minus 4. So what is the center? So center is not minus 3 because center is always minus g. So center will become 3 comma 4 because center is minus g comma minus f, and the radius is always g square plus f square minus c. So if you solve this, you will get, what is g square? 9, because 3 square plus 4 square is 16 minus 11 minus plus, it will become this one. So if you solve this, what you will get, basically 9, and this is 25 plus 11 is 36, which is equal to 6. So your radius is 6. Okay, this is the way you have to evaluate the center and the radius of a circle if equation of circle is given in the second general form. Okay, so hope you understand this one, and I will come back to you in the next tutorial with more concept in the circle. And if you like this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel so that you'll get the new tutorial all the time. Okay, I will say bye and see you in the next time.